Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, this reading is for January 28 to January 31, 2024. Okay, alamin natin kung ano mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces for the last week of January or gabay, mensahe, advices ng tarot cards for Pisces sa linggong ito. Okay, so reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces, so pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi, okay? And ang mga energies ay pwede pong vice versa, pwedeng sa taong dinidil mo or sa'yo mismo. Depende po yan. Take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate. And ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT ay pwede pong mag-resonate sa masculine or feminine. Basta mag-resonate po, okay? Pag hindi, wag po nating ipilit. Okay? So, ano po ang posibleng mangyari for Pisces for this week, for the last week of January, or mga advices niyo po for Pisces sa linggong ito. Okay. Ano po ang mensahe posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito. Ayun, so may nag-flip dito. Saglit lang po. Knight of Wands. Okay. So, there's a movement. It's either it is a new Pisces or meron kang, bigla ko naisip yung word na, kumbaga, busy. Okay? Word na mismong busy. Okay? So, pwedeng sa linggong ito, magiging busy ka. Meron kang gagawin. Okay? Oh my goodness. 5 of Wands and Knight of Swords. Pero, be aware lang Pisces or be careful lang kasi meron tayo ditong 5 of Wands and kitang-kita nyo naman nag-aaway sila. Sige nga, ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces? Na-intriga ako dito sa 5 of Wands na nandito. Okay? Bakit merong 5 of Wands? Clarify natin mamaya Pisces, okay? So, there's a King of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. Wow! Wow! So, meron tayo ditong tatlong Knights, Pisces. So, there's a big possibility na merong movement, merong balita, merong mangyayari. Okay? And pwede meron itong connection kay King of Pentacles and 5 of Wands. Wow. Sige, clarify na ano ako sa reading natin ngayon for this week and clarify natin to sila mamaya. Okay? Bottom of the deck is the Empress. This is you, Pisces. This is you. Kahit the Empress siya, pwede po itong mag-resonate sa lalaki and sa LGBT po, okay? And also sa babae. Take nyo lang kung saan mag-resonate, okay? Wow. So, ang unang lumabas is Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands, Pisces. Again, sinabi ko kanina na magiging busy ka, magkakaroon ng mga pangyayari, okay? And yung pagkakabisihan mo, Pisces, is parang ang daming mangyayari. Ang dami talaga, lalo na't merong connection nito kay King of Pentacles and the Empress. So, pwedeng it's either meron nang nangyari, Pisces, na kung saan meron kang kaaway or merong sagutan, merong, alam mo yun, yung parang hindi naging maganda, merong disagreements sa kung sino man ito. Okay? And pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw to. So, sa tatlong cards natin dito, iba-iba yung ano nila, pero mabilisan. Okay? Kasi sa apat na Knights, Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords, Knight of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles, yung Knight of Pentacles, yun yung parang slow-moving Pisces. Mabagal. Okay? Siya yung parang slow pace. Okay? Parang nasa gilid lang siya, mabagal yung takbo niya. Pero itong tatlong cards na nandito, itong tatlong knights na nandito, puro to sila mabilis, lalo na to. Okay? Lalo na tong si Knight of Swords. So, be aware lang, Pisces, sa kung pwedeng there's a communication kasi meron tayo ditong Knight of Cups. And hindi mo to ine-expect dahil magiging busy ka sa linggong ito. Magiging busy ka, alam mo yun, marami kang gagawin, marami kang mga bagay na kailangan pagtuunan. Okay? Lalo na kung sa trabaho. Okay? And meron darating sa'yo na biglaan, sudden. Okay? And pwedeng ito yung mag-cause or pwedeng ito yung rason sa Five of Wands na nandito. Okay? So, it's either nangyari na to, Pisces, or mangyayari pa lang. Okay? Take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate. And pwedeng galing itong Knight of Swords, galing itong mabilisang takbo na ito kay King of Pentacles. Okay? Or pwedeng galing ito kay the Empress. Pero feel ko ikaw to, Pisces eh. Kahit feminine po yung nandito, pwede po to, as I said, mag-resonate sa masculine po, okay? So, you will be sitting on your throne, you know your worth, alam mo kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo, alam mo kung ano ka, Pisces, okay? Maganda ka, gwapo ka, okay? Kumbaga, you deserve something better. You deserve a lot, way better sa kung ano man yung nangyari dito. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi mo deserve kung ano man yung nangyari dati. And you are pretty, you are handsome, Pisces. You are good looking, alam mo man o hindi. Okay? Pero I know you deserve something better. And pwedeng ito ay nanggaling ka King of Pentacles na kung saan meron siyang ibibigay na emotional connection. Okay? Pwedeng ito ay past person mo, Pisces, or pwedeng new person ito. Take nyo lang po. Nakikita niyo si King of Pentacles na nandito. Yung Knight of Cups niya is nakatuon dito kay the Empress. Okay? Nakatuon. Nakabigay ganun. Nakaturo doon. So, andun yung pagmamahal, andun yung kalinga, andun yung security, providing, okay? Provider. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko dito. Pero, medyo lang dito banda. Okay, so kuha tayo, gamitin natin itong isa nating tarot cards and i-clarify natin to sila isa-isa. Okay? Okay, so medyo na ako dito sa Five of Wands kasi magaganda na sila eh, magaganda. And na din ako sa tatlong nights dito. So, there's a unexpected situation. Ang daming mangyayari sa linggong ito, Pisces. Okay, pwedeng merong connection nito sa'yo, lalong-lalo na sa'yo, malamang, okay, the Empress, and there is someone na King of Pentacles. Okay, and pwedeng you're dealing with the fire sign, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, and water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So, clarify natin itong si Knight of Wands. Ano po ang clarifications niyo po for Knight of Wands? Nine of Swords, Death, and Ten of Swords. Okay, so as I said kanina, Pisces, magiging busy ka, lalo na itong si Knight of Wands, kasi parang sa nararamdaman ko, itong pagkalabas to kanina, parang magpo-focus ka sa mga bagay na kailangan. Kumbaga, lalayo ka dito sa kung ano man yung nag-cause nitong Five of Wands. Okay? Nakikita nyo, palayo siya dun. Nag-aaway sila, magulo sila dito, and ikaw papunta ka dun. Okay? And parang feeling ko, Pisces, you're trying to move on. You're trying to move on from something. You're trying to move on, lalo na sa kung ano man yung nangyari. Nakikita nyo, Pisces, there's a Ten of Swords and Nine of Swords. There's a betrayal, ang daming nangyari, ang daming kalungkutan, okay? Dahil sa kung ano man yung nangyari dati. Okay? Sa kung ano man yung away, conflict na nangyari dati, na kung saan merong betrayal, merong, alam mo yun, yung mga nangyari, mga salitang nakakasakit, and minsan, Pisces, hindi ka makatulog, okay? And you're trying to move on this kind of energy na kung saan meron tayo ditong death. Huwag ka matakot, Pisces, pag lumalabas to. Hindi to literal, okay? This card kasi is something na end of a chapter. Okay, you're trying to move on. Tapos na yun. Ayaw mo na yung ganito. Ayaw mo na yung ganitong energy. Kaya nakikita nyo, palayo ka dito sa Five of Wands na nandito. Okay, and pwede you're dealing with the Scorpio sign, Pisces. So, ganito yung energy mo. Mabibusy ka, you're trying to keep yourself busy. Okay? Palayo and para makalimutan mo tong ganitong energy. Pagod ka na, takot kang, alam mo yun, mangyari to ulit. Kaya, napagdesisyonan mo, Pisces, na hindi, I deserve something better. And you're trying to move on, Pisces. You're trying to move on. You're trying to keep yourself busy. And that's so okay. Maganda yung ganun, Pisces. Ganun dapat yung gagawin mo. Hindi yung magpapakamukmuk ka doon. And hahayaan mo yung sarili mo na hindi makatulog. Okay? I'm so proud of you kung ganun man yung ginagawa mo, Pisces. Okay? And clarify natin itong si Five of Wands. Clarify natin ano po ang clarifications niyo po for Five of Wands. Bakit po merong pag-aaway, merong conflict? Okay, yun ang bilis. The Star and Seven of Pentacles. Pwedeng you're dealing with an Aquarius sign, Pisces. Okay, pero kung hindi, it's okay. So, pwedeng nangyari to sa trabaho or pwedeng nangyari to for something na malapit sa buhay mo. Pwedeng maraming taong involved, Pisces. Or pwedeng kayong dalawa lang to. Lalo na to si the Empress card and si King of Pentacles. Okay? And pwedeng merong isa sa inyo or pareho kayong dalawa na ang lalim yung iniisip. Okay? Ang lalim. Kumbaga, it's either kung nangyari na to, Pisces. Merong isa sa inyo na parang habang nagtatabaho, malalim yung iniisip, and andun yung realization. Kasi ang kasunod niya is the Star. Realization from something na kung ano man yung nangyari. And, kumbaga, he or she's planting the seed. You're planting the seed. You're investing this kind of situation, Pisces. It's either, pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa trabaho, pwedeng matagal ka na dito, and andun na yung investment mo, okay? Andun na, nakasanayan mo na to, Pisces. Nakasanayan mo na, dito ka na parang nag-grow ka dito, okay? And you, hindi lang financial, hindi lang effort, kundi emotional. Okay? Kaso merong nangyari. So, hindi mo alam kung ano yung nangyari, parang sudden siya, and dun mo lang siya na-absorb, Pisces, dun mo lang naisip na yung kung ano yung nangyari. Okay? Kumbaga, habang nagtatabaho ka, pumapasok yung kung ano man yung nangyari dito. Okay? Kung hindi pa naman to nangyayari, I don't want you to expect this kind of situation, pero there's a possibility, Pisces. Okay? So, sinabi ko kanina, be aware lang po. Okay? And there's the Star, there's an emotional investment din, financial and effort. Okay? So, be aware lang, it's either nangyari na to or mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And si Knight of Swords, ito yung pinakamabilis na night sa apat na nights natin sa card deck natin. So, ano po yung clarifications for this Knight of Swords? Itong mabilis na card natin ngayon. Kitang-kita nyo kasi, Pisces. Mabilis yung takbo, okay? Pasulong. Hindi pa pareho dito na parang sakto lang. Okay? Mabilis din naman, pero sakto lang din. Nakikita nyo yung trees dito as in parang mabilisan yung takbo. Okay? So, ano po yung clarifications for this Knight of Swords? Okay, so, ayun. Meron tayo dito. Eto, kunin natin. Ooh! Wow! Ala, tatlo pala yung lumabas, Pisces. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong Knight of Cups. Again, ito si Knight of Cups. 10 of Cups. And 2 of Cups, Pisces. Wow. So, pwedeng ito ay mangyayari or coming from King of Pentacles. Na kung saan aayusin na itong kung ano man itong nangyari dati. Okay? So, ito yung laman, ito yung gustong sabihin, ito yung intensyon ng taong dinidil or ididil mo, Pisces, for this week. Okay? So, there's a Knight of Cups, which is emotional, happiness, full of love. And there's a soulmate card, Pisces. 2 of Cups, soulmate, happy family card, and good news. Okay, so full of love. Full of love ang dala nitong Knight of Swords. Pwedeng hindi mo to ine-expect, okay? Pwedeng ito ay kakilala mo na, or pwedeng ito ay bago. Okay? So, kung ano man yung darating, kung ano man yung paspasan, mabilisang darating, Pisces, ito yung laman. Okay? So, maganda to siya. Actually, this is a good news. This is a sudden good news na darating sa'yo. Kasi ang daming puro cups, puro emotions, puro love. Yung dala ng Knight of Swords dito, Pisces. Wow. Knight of Cups, kitang-kita nyo, pareho dun, nakatuon dun kay the Empress card. And itong dalawang to, isa to sa mga paborito ko. Ten of Cups, happy family, punong-puno, kasiyahan, ramdam mo yung saya. And ito naman, Two of Cups, soulmate card. Okay, pareho to siya ng definition dun sa the Lovers card, Pisces. Okay, so there's an investment of love. There's something na bigla akong naisip yung word na reconciliation. Pwede din. Okay? Lalo na kung saan parang you're trying to move on. You're trying to to keep busy. Okay? Sa kung ano man na, nangyari or kung ano man yung mangyayari. And kung meron mang darating, kung meron mang, alam mo yun, parang mabilisang pangyayari, mabilisang balita, Pisces, ito yung dala. Okay? Sobrang ganda naman ito. Pareho, sabay-sabay. Okay? So, pwede you're dealing also with a parang LGBT member. So, pwedeng you're a member of Rainbow Tribe Pisces. Pero kung hindi naman, it's okay. So, the lovers. The Two of Cups. Pwede din the lovers. Okay? Soulmate card. Ten of Cups, happy family. And Knight of Cups, good news. Emotional news na darating sa'yo. Okay? Dala nitong si Knight of Swords. Wow. So, clarifications for this King of Pentacles. Ano po? Sino itong si King of Pentacles? Ano ang sadya nito? Actually, ito yung sadya niya eh. Ito and ito. Okay? So, ano po yung clarifications niyo po for King of Pentacles? Ayun. Okay. Ten of Wands. Okay. Okay. So, Ten of Wands, Pisces, Three of Wands, and Three of Swords. This person is hurting. This person, si King of Pentacles, is hurting. Or pwedeng ikaw, nasasaktan ka sa taong to, Pisces. And you're waiting. You're waiting for him or he's waiting for you. Okay? Pero merong effort dito na darating. Merong effort dito na kung saan, ito yun, si Knight of Swords na kung saan ang ganda ng clarification cards niya, and Knight of Cups mismo, ito. Okay, napapagitnaan siya. Kaso, itong clarifications ng King of Pentacles natin dito is, para sa nararamdaman ko, nahihirapan siya, nabibigatan siya, okay? And hindi siya masaya, Pisces. Hindi siya masaya. Okay? And it's either meron siyang plano, kung saan ito yung plano niya sa'yo, okay? Or pwedeng he or she's waiting or ikaw yung naghihintay sa taong to. And there's a Three of Swords. Nasasaktan. Okay? Kitang-kita nyo naman nakatusok yung tatlong swords sa puso. Okay? So, sobrang bigat. Nabibigatan siya. Okay? So, ito yung energy. Ito yung nararamdaman ng King of Pentacles na nandito na kung saan meron siyang gagawing effort towards the Empress card. Okay? And sobrang ganda ng intention niya para sa'yo. Okay? So, pwede pong vice versa or intention mo para sa kanya, Pisces. And kung ano man nangyari dito sa Five of Wands na nandito, be aware lang, okay? It's still up to you, Pisces, kung ano yung magiging decision mo sa kung ano man yung mangyayari for this week, okay? So, Knight of Cups naman tayo dito. Knight of Cups na ibibigay niya sa the Empress card. Ano po ang clarifications niyo for Knight of Cups? Two of Swords. After the non-contact, Pisces, after the silent treatment, after the blocking, after something na parang no communication, magme-make na siya ng effort. Okay? Kumbaga, gagalawin na niya yung baso, Pisces. Okay? So, bigla ako na ano yung ano na parang siya yung magbe-break ng no contact sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw, Pisces. Nakikita nyo sa Knight of Cups natin dito, ang clarifications niya is Two of Swords. And this card, this Two of Swords right here is ito yung parang no contact, silent treatment, no communication, ganun siya. After that kind of situation, Pisces, pwedeng siya na yung gagalaw sa baso. And yung baso na yun is ibibigay niya sa'yo, Pisces. Or ikaw, pwede din ganun po, vice versa. Okay? So, there's an effort after this kind of situation, or pwedeng ganito yung mangyayari after this 5 of Wands. Okay? And you're trying to keep yourself busy, Pisces. And there is something na mabilisan. Sobrang bilis. Bottom of the deck is 4 of Swords. You're healing, Pisces. You're healing. You're trying to, to relax, to forget all the pain, okay? And you surrender everything to God. You surrender. Lahat binigay mo sa Kanya. Okay? Kasi nakikita nyo nakapray yung kamay niya dito. And meron tayo ditong altar. And ganito ka, Pisces. Ganito yung sitwasyon mo. And alam mo sa sarili mo, you deserve something better. Pasensya na po kung meron po kayo naririnig na background noises po, okay? You deserve something better. You don't deserve this kind of situation, Pisces. Okay? Sa kung ano man yung nangyari dito. And kung meron ka mang ginagawa or mabibisi ka man ngayong na week na ito, go for it. Okay? Try to avoid this kind of situation. Okay? Kasi sa Knight of Wands dito, magiging busy ka sa linggong ito. Okay? And you're trying to move on from this kind of situation, from this kind of emotion. Okay? Pero there is someone na King of Pentacles na magre-reach out sa'yo. Ganun yung parang ano ko dito. It's either this is a past person, Pisces, or a new person. Kasi nakikita nyo, sa Knight of Cups natin dito, there's a silent treatment. So, pwedeng merong no contact, no communication, and merong isa sa inyo ang gagalaw ng baso. Okay? And yung baso na yun is meron dalang sobrang ganda, sobrang pagmamahal na, alam mo yun, intention towards sa'yo. 2 of Cups, 10 of Cups, and Knight of Cups, Pisces. Okay? But again, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin po ang magde-decide kung ano yung gagawin mo with this situation po. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading. Medyo napahaba. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless.